Let's embark on a journey to understand mathematical philosophy, where we will explore the nature and existence of mathematics itself. We'll delve into different schools of thought, including formalism, Intuitionism, and Platonism. Prepare to question the very foundations of this fundamental discipline. But what exactly is mathematics? Is it a language, a system of symbols and rules for expressing relationships and patterns? Or is it a discovery, uncovering eternal truths that exist independently of human thought? These are some of the fundamental questions that mathematical philosophy seeks to answer. Let's see. The fundamental question in mathematical philosophy is whether mathematics exists independently of human minds. Are mathematical truths discovered, meaning they were always there waiting to be found, or are they invented, a creation of human intellect? This question forms the basis for many different philosophical viewpoints on mathematics. One such viewpoint is Platonism. Platonism posits that mathematical objects exist in an abstract realm, completely independent of physical reality. Mathematics, according to Platonism, is an eternal and unchanging truth, existing whether or not humans are aware of it. Consider pi, which is written as a symbol pi and is equal to approximately 3.14159 and so on. According to Platonism, pi exists as a perfect mathematical truth, regardless of whether humans discovered it or not. It is an eternal and unchanging entity in the abstract realm of mathematics. Another perspective is formalism. Formalism views mathematics as a formal system of symbols and manipulation rules. In this view, mathematical statements don't have any inherent meaning. Instead, mathematics is seen as a game played with symbols according to predefined rules. For example, consider the axiom 1 plus 1 equals 2, and the manipulation rule x plus 0 equals x. In formalism, these are simply rules within a formal system. They don't necessarily represent anything about the real world, but are just part of the mathematical game. Now let's explore Intuitionism. Intuitionism sees mathematics as a mental construction, created by human intuition. According to this view, only objects that can be constructed mentally are considered mathematically valid. It emphasizes the role of human thought in creating mathematical truths. A key principle of Intuitionism is that to prove something exists, you must construct it step by step. Existence proofs by contradiction, where you assume something doesn't exist and then show that leads to a contradiction, are rejected in Intuitionism because they don't actually construct the object in question. So, to summarize, we've explored three different perspectives on mathematical philosophy. Platonism asserts that mathematics exists independently in an abstract reality. Formalism views mathematics as symbol manipulation without inherent meaning. And Intuitionism sees mathematics as a mental construction, requiring proof by actual construction. Each of these viewpoints offers a unique lens through which to understand the nature of mathematics. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.